Okay, we are live. Swadee Kap, everyone. Good afternoon, Thailand. We have a little surprise here. 6-minute English.
Yes.
Here is the application. Okay, the topic, Super Dad Peapot, Teacher Tim. We are going to show you something very special. The topic, how quickly can you learn English? Okay, now there's a little introduction right there. I'm going to read it to you. How long should it take to learn English? The answer depends on many things, such as your motivation and age. But you're never too old to pick up some tips to speed up your learning. Quicken it a little bit. Learn some techniques with Rob and Finn. These are the two that are going to be speaking inside 6-Minute English in this edition of 6-Minute English, and find out about our brand new BBC Learning English course.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
They're going to be talking about this. Now, we're going to play the 6-minute audio, have fun listening, and we'll be back. Super Dad Peapot's going to have 2 minutes to speak about what he listened to, and then I will have 2 minutes. Good?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it.
We work on the BBC's Learning English website, hopefully giving people around the
No, I want to start from the beginning.
world a helping hand in learning a language that isn't the one they normally use.
Well, hopefully we're about to make that learning journey a bit easier as we launch a brand new online course.
Yes.
But how long does it take someone to become a fluent speaker of English?
Well, it's a good question, Rob, and one we'll try to answer today. We'll also be discussing some general ways to make learning English easier and explaining some learning-related vocabulary along the way. So, let's get started, Rob.
Okay, well, hold your horses.
Okay.
Not so fast. I have a question to ask you first. According to the last UK census taken in 2011, what percentage of the British population speaks a first language that's not English? Is it A, 1.7%?
Okay, now, here's the idea. Once we listen to the audio for 6 minutes, we're going to have each other express what we thought about that 6 minute. You got 2 minutes. Share away.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Teacher Tim.
You're welcome.
It is a very interesting program from BBC. Actually, I get used to this channel when I was very young, and 6 minutes program is long for me. But everything is described in there is very basic and natural. It is like a basic. It is like the facts you're supposed to realize. You can see everything is not so technical. If you think carefully, everything is nature. What we are thinking about how to acquire the English is in natural way. It's about the age, and the one key sentence is about the age. It's the facts. It is younger. You can learn very easier comparing with when you you grow up to be adult. It is harder because it is one keyword. It's about immerse. Here,
Yes.
immersion, and everything is facts. Because when you become older, we become busy. And you cannot stay focused on the English practicing. And another thing, it is more important, like I and Teacher Tim discussed prior to starting broadcasting, is about the benefits of the technology. It's very easy, and if you can make use of this technology, it's easier. And another thing, people always saying that the grammar is important. I think completely different, because the English usage has so many levels. In the beginning, okay, you can think about it as very basic, and you understand not only its meaning but how about its usage of every single word So if you understand, you can speak out, and you can compose your sentence and speak out confidently. And when you use it in the basic conversation, grammar is not, it doesn't the real matters. But when you grow up, you're supposed to use English in the different higher levels. Grammar, syntax, vocabulary is most important. If you have to write everything, write the minute of meetings, high levels, English is a must. Yeah, that is idea. And I suppose you will repeat listening the whole this story again, and it's confirmed. Listen, you have to think while listening about these facts, and I think it will be a good. It's again the benefits from this. Just only 6 minutes, but it's a cover the real in improving or developing your English competency. So, what I would like to conclude in the beginning, if you learn so many words from dictionary, from reading, but you don't understand the meanings and how to use it, surely there not enough to speak it out. Just study only simple words, understand and know how to use it and speak it out. And when the times go on, little by little, learn more vocabulary. As in a clip said, if you learn more, you can use English better, because you have numbers of the vocabulary to express what might be more complicated in your life. So you have there many hundreds or tons of words. You can express more and more and benefit deeply what is going to talk with the people. That what is my idea.
Very nice, Super Dad Peapot. All right, now I'm going to share a little bit as Super Dad Peapot went over the 2 minute time frame. But we're going to stop that, because we're going to have a stopwatch everything to allow everybody in the room to do this correctly. Now, I want to share that what I liked about this audio is not only was BBC 6 Minute English sharing how to learn quicker, they shared a lot of facts, but they also shared a disruption called learning online. And what they created from the facts their own program. Exactly. Now. Well, I didn't know that this is the first time I listened to this. So I need to listen again to be able to express what the audio was about. Now, they talk about grammar and vocabulary words, syntax, and all. Yes, and that's beautiful. What we really want, though, is just to make English fun. Now, Super Dad Peapot, he wanted a topic about English. So Teacher Tim listened to him, and this is what we got. But there's a super engineer right here. He might pick another topic. And so he might share a couple words. Teacher Tim, I like this. Well, that's only about 6, 7, 8 vocabulary words. That doesn't matter. That's beautiful. It's not 1,000, it's not 1,000,000 vocabulary words that he has. But he will sit down now because it's what he wants to learn, and then it's going to expand. We're going to have fun. So with that said, thank you, everyone. This is just the beginning. We are going to use this idea to expand online at KMUTT.
Good. We have a little bit more
You got
share.
it.
Yeah, because a while ago I talked about the sure, if you know tons of words, you can express perfectly your feeling. But according to one TED Talk show, it is like a research. If you know, is one doctor is like one who show on the TED Talk. He said that if you know 3,000 basic words, you can communicate in everyday conversation. And if you know up to 4,000 words, you can express 100%.
Yes.
And if you go to the high level, you have to talk with your specific groups, technical teams. Okay, that is different. For the basic conversation, 4,000 basic English words is more than enough. Yeah, that is what one speaker on the TED Talk said. Yeah.
Okay, we're good. This is just the beginning.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Bye.